Start by keeping the carpet fibers out of the way so the paint only meets the baseboard and not the long pile carpet. Begin by sliding a clean putty knife between the baseboard and the carpet pile and gently push the fibers down away from the seam. This creates a narrow gap you can work in and reduces streaking. Next, float a strip of masking tape over the edge of the baseboard without pressing it into the pile, so the tape bridges across the carpet and forms a straight edge. Press the tape only onto the baseboard, not the carpet, then use a longer drywall knife or flexible trim tool to tuck any stray fibers under the tape edge so the paint will not snag them. Use a sash brush with a slim profile and slightly angled bristles to cut in along the taped edge while holding the brush low so bristles do not drag into the carpet. Load the brush sparingly and tap excess paint onto a rag to avoid heavy beads that can drip into the pile. For wider coverage, apply paint with a short nap mini roller on the baseboard face, rolling from top to bottom in light passes to avoid buildup at the bottom edge, and immediately smooth with the brush to remove roller texture. If you need to protect the carpet fully, lay a thin craft paper or a narrow drop cloth over the exposed pile and secure it with low-tack tape applied only to the baseboard. Remove the protection while paint is still tacky to prevent adhesion to fibers. Always work in small sections, maintain a wet edge, and wait the recommended drying time between coats so you can inspect and clean any accidental transfer before paint fully cures. The three most common problems are paint snags into the pile, uneven edges from poor taping, and paint buildup at the baseboard bottom. Paint snagging happens when fibers are not pushed down or taped over, so use the putty knife and bridge the tape over the carpet to keep bristles off the pile. Uneven edges usually come from pressing tape into the carpet or using too much paint, so apply tape only to the baseboard, use light brush loads, and feather the paint out with a clean brush. Buildup at the bottom edge results from heavy roller or brush pressure, so roll lightly, finish with a smooth brush pass, and remove any excess with a damp rag before it skins over. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors while focusing on project matching and community advice. We help homeowners find local contractors for painting and related work, and we help contractors find jobs and interact with the discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.